Are you ready to take your kitchen game to the next level? The Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System is here to transform the way you prepare meals, smoothies, and more. This powerful kitchen wizard isn't just a blender, it's a complete culinary powerhouse. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the incredible features, functions, and capabilities that make the Ninja a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. What sets the Ninja apart from the rest is its remarkable versatility. This blender is not limited to blending alone. It's an all-in-one kitchen system that can slice, shred, grate, and more, all without the need for extra processor bowls. Whether you're whipping up a hearty smoothie, creating a fresh coleslaw, or grating cheese for your favorite pasta dish, this blender has you covered. Say goodbye to tedious food prep. The Ninja comes equipped with a reversible slicing, shredding disc and grating disc that makes slicing and grating a breeze. From shredded carrots for salads to perfectly grated cheese for your homemade pizza, this blender takes the hassle out of meal preparation. Of course, let's not forget its primary function, blending. With a 72 72 blending pitcher, this blender can tackle anything from silky smoothies to hearty soups. But what truly sets it apart is its nutrient extractor function. Extract maximum nutrition from your ingredients and enjoy healthy, nutrient-packed smoothies that will supercharge your day. Want to take your smoothie game to the next level? The Ninja includes an XL smoothie bowl maker, allowing you to create thick, delicious smoothie bowls that are not only nutritious, but also Instagram-worthy. Elevate your breakfast routine and impress your guests with stunning smoothie bowls. The Ninja is more than just a blender, it's a versatile kitchen system with 7 functions in one. From blending and food processing to slicing, shredding, grating, and more, this kitchen wizard simplifies your cooking process and saves you precious time. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System is a game changer for your kitchen. Its unparalleled versatility, combined with powerful blending and nutrient extraction capabilities, makes it an essential tool for any home cook or smoothie enthusiast. Say goodbye to the clutter of multiple kitchen appliances and hello to convenience, speed, and creativity in the kitchen. Ready to upgrade your culinary adventures? Click the link below to make the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System a part of your kitchen and elevate your cooking game to new heights.